Want to use free hit on FPL Fantasy Premier League? Then you're on the right video. First thing first, head over to your application FPL. Make sure you are logged in into your specific account. Once logged in, head over to Fantasy at the bottom of the screen. In this page, you need to head over to Transfer. So in this page, you need to make all the transfer you want first. Tap on the player, click on Select Replacement. From here, choose the one that you want to transfer with. Once you've selected, you need to click on Next at the bottom right corner of the screen, and then tap on Confirm. Once you're happy with your team, play chip and select free hit at the top of the screen, then confirm your transfer. Your free hit team will only be active for the game week. As soon as the game week ends, your original team automatically comes back, so you don't have to transfer everyone back manually. Remember, you can only use one chip in a game week, and once you confirm your free hit, you can't cancel it. So make sure you are happy with your final team before the deadline. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.